Imagine living in a beautiful wooden home. At Expert Builder Group, we design and build stunning wooden houses that are strong, stylish, and built to last. From planning to final finish, every detail is handled with expert care. Wooden homes offer natural beauty, energy efficiency, and a warm, modern lifestyle. Perfect for comfortable living. Whether you want a cozy cabin or a luxury wooden house, we bring your vision to life with high-quality materials and craftsmanship. And with our easy financing options, building your dream home is now more affordable. Serving Los Angeles and surrounding areas, contact Expert Builder Group today and start your wooden home journey.